every year that we've done this, I've said this, that I don't see, we've set the bar so high, I don't see how we can, jump over that bar, but every year we do it, and I think that's absolutely true of this one. I think this is a phenomenal issue. An entirely student-generated publication. It contains only student essays, photographs, visual artworks, poetry, etc. Graphic art students create the layout and the magazine cover and do the poster work, and so it really is a celebration of the talent of our students and the wonderful programs that help them to hone their talents.
It wasn't just me, it was my group. My group was Krista, Janine, and Casey. The three of us, we worked together in coming up with this layout. We just what we were shown was the whole cover, and we just went off of that. We all scanned in images. We picked up around campus, the alma mater, a brochure that we found downstairs, and went to me and Janine went to a couple of presidents' offices and stole some stuff off their desk. And we just scanned in these images, and that's basically all we did. Pulled it together and made it look like a desktop. That's all we wanted to make it look just kind of disorganized and in its own organization, pretty much, and
including coffee rooms.
Including coffee rooms.
It's the strangest request probably ever known to man. They went to the secretary and said, "Can we have some trash from the president's desk?"
That was Janine. On page 12, there's a calendar from her office.
Dr. Metzger's office.
And it's just her scribbling down some addition, subtraction stuff, and I scanned in the calendar that I found at my house, and that actually had some personalization to it, because it was written to make it look, personalized, and that it was, strictly TJC stuff, and I think we did a good job.
You did great.
By the way, our cover designer is hiding over here, Danny. She designed that the semester previous, then this group laid it out, so.
Yeah, it's great.
More the life of a college student and being procrastinating and being stressed and having life thrown at them and having to do something that wasn't in the box.
That's great.
And if you're looking at that cover, the little lines that are on there are from the previous issue. They are excerpts of poems and stories, so that was a neat tie-in to the old one, too. So,
please give us more, because you're still TJC students, even if this is your last semester. We want as much of your talent and want to celebrate that as much as possible. So please go ahead and submit for the next bell tower. So enjoy this. This is for you. Have some brownies and some cookies, and thank you so very much for making this a reality.
My name is Mary Tarbutton. I am a photography student and business management student, and I have 3 images in the bell tower.
My name is Molly Stanley. I live in Lindale, Texas. I am a graphics and photography major. I submitted 3 separate photos that got into it, as well as did the complete layout with my group, Janine, Casey, and Krista.
And what did you do?
Design.
In more than one word, what did you do?
Page layout.
Okay, well, show me your picture.
My picture?
Yeah, show me a picture.
A picture.
Okay.
Very last page. Black and white.
To be ashamed of it.
My name is Danny Delgado, and my major is computer graphics and photography. Picture here called Enticing Enemies. Let me show you both.
I would like to do is have it in our hallway, what I call the hallway gallery.
I've had this one called Composure.
So how long did this project take?
Worked on this for, I guess, a few weeks, and it's as long as it took, and then the next semester, actually, I had to convert it into color because the committee decided to go color, so.
My name is Cameron Thompson, and my major is graphic design and photography, and I'm also a journalism major. I have a photo in the bell tower that I cannot find right now because, oh, here we go. I shot it in the studio. It was paired. It was, yeah, that was one of the photos that I shot just for fun. It wasn't an assignment or anything, so it's one of my favorites. Next, get them out.
Oh, you want to sign, like, where you're supposed to? The poem is called A Rant on Injustice, and it's actually not what it seems to be first time you read it. Oh, it was fun. It was really great. I really enjoyed it, and it was really fun getting to everybody all getting together and putting in their submissions all at one night.
It was very fun. Very, what's the word? Fulfilling. It was my baby. I worked on it very, very hard. I'm very proud of it.
My name is Diego Reyes, and I'm a graphic artist.
I'm making a movie.
Oh!
So you might as well take your picture. Shoot it.
No. Aquí tienes a mucha gente, a la gente.
I'm Karen Hernandez, and my major is graphic arts and photography. And I have 3 pictures in here.
You just came here for the free food?
No, like I was on the class and everything, but my art design didn't get chopped. But it was an experience.
So this is your second issue?
Yes. This is the first time I have actual pictures in here. It is this one. I learned a lot, and I thought it was very fun. I worked with Cameron. She's somewhere around here. She's back there. I did this one. It was fun.